Hi, welcome back to the Four Chains. This video is one of many videos we're posting about Mexico as we travel around evaluating places not only to vacation at, but perhaps even make a permanent vacation, or what some people might call retirement.
In this case, we're staying at Senses Riviera Maya by Artisan for 10 full nights. Now, we're going to split this particular video into two parts. The second part will focus on the food, the drinks, the facilities, the customer service, and the overall experience. But the first part that you're watching now is going to focus on the room reveal and a tour of the resort. Think of this video as kind of like what you would see if you had the opportunity to tour the resort and look at your room before making the reservation.
And if this video is helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you're interested in seeing more videos about Mexico, we have a whole bunch coming. So please subscribe to our channel. That would help us out a bunch. Thanks so much and enjoy the video. We have just arrived at Hotel Senses in Playa del Carmen. And Jim is checking us in right now. This is the front entrance. But I should mention, it doesn't say Senses on the outside. Our cab driver passed it, but it does say Artisan. I believe it's Senses by Artisan. Senses Riviera Maya by Artisan. So this is what the entrance looks like. Here we have arrived, and we're having our welcome drinks, which look delicious.
Oh, that is really
Oh, it's really, really, really good. I don't know what it is.
This is good. This is a margarita. It tastes so, like,
Fresh.
sweet. It doesn't taste like a...
Don't get margaritas. I hope they bring margaritas.
I don't know. It's delicious,
That's
whatever it
not
is.
margarita.
No, let me check.
It's got, like,
But they tell
it's
me-
sweet, and it has rum or vodka or something.
It's good.
Let's be clear. We are not complaining. This is good.
So, clarification is Havana Lights, and it's delicious. Do you know what's in it?
Oh yeah, it has Midori,
Mhm.
it has rum and juice. I think it's pineapple juice.
Delicious.
It's
Muchas gracias.
herby taste. I don't, almost like basil or something. I'm not sure what it is. It's very good. Okay, we are here at Senses. We just checked in. They're holding our luggage. We got here very early. Check-in is not until 3 p.m., but we were coming from a different hotel in Akumal, and we just decided to come and have some lunch and hang out by the pool until our room is ready.
I do want to point out those who are clicking on our Expedia link. We do have VIP access. That includes early check-in when available. However, every room is sold out for right now. So hopefully we'll get there before 3, but you know, in the meantime, we're gonna have about 100 more of these drinks, the best drinks I've ever had in my life, and we're gonna go to the snack bar.
So there are two restaurants here. One is the snack bar, which is open from 10 to 5, and that is on the main level. And then there's the restaurant on the rooftop, which is open from 7:30 a.m. until 11 p.m. But the kitchen stops, they stop preparing food at 9:30. I guess you need to order by 9:30. So we are going to find the elevator for the rooftop bar.
No, it's not open till noon. That's why she said.
Oh, so we're going to the snack bar on this level. Buenos dias. Looks like there's a nice pool table here. There is a little lobby area. There are a few books.
We were just talking about playing pool.
I am definitely going to improve my billiards game because it's terrible. I'm pretty good at most games, physical kinesthetic things. I am terrible at pool. So I hope to improve my billiards game. Looks like the view is already astounding. Jim, if you'll let me get in front of you here for a second. We do have a little snack bar for late night munchies here. I might be partaking in some of these.
Oh wow!
Not
They're
sure.
good deal, too. But considering
this
everything
is-
else is free,
This is an all-inclusive, so all of our drinks and food will be included.
and it's also not one of those places where if you want premium drinks, they overcharge you because everything's free.
Okay, so here we go looks like this. Holy smokes, there's a nice infinity pool. I don't want to get those people on camera, but wow, what a view. What a view. Holy smokes. Oh, it's really beautiful. It's much better than the website showed and much better than I expected.
Okay, so we are in room 104. Once again, we used Expedia. And if you're an Expedia member, you get VIP access for early check-in. And this really came in handy now because we got to get in our room 2.5 hours early, which is great because the checkout was 10 a.m. at our previous hotel, which is about 40 minutes away. That's okay, you can come through. So we're gonna go in here and check out the room.
So we just came, had lunch, had a few drinks, and...
Their drinks are very strong, so I apologize if I'm slurring my words. All right, so we get in the room here, we have a microwave, we have a coffee maker, and unlike our previous hotel, we actually have coffee in the coffee maker.
Setting down my drink so I can have 2 hands.
And we have a refrigerator, which is stocked. And just so you know, like it's not a mini bar like in Vegas where you pay $15 a beer. All of this is free. We got beers, we got sodas, we got waters. So that's great news. We got some shelves there in case we buy anything in town and a trash can. Let's move in here. Holy moly, okay. We have a jacuzzi tub.
Will work.
Yeah, so it has both the jacuzzi jets and the shower head. Now, one of the things that we really have been lacking is a shower head in our last 3 hotels. We've been in Mexico a month, so.
Wait a minute, what's this here?
So this is a rainfall shower. Now, I know this is considered luxury and a lot of people like rainfall. I do not. I don't feel come on guys, I'm not gonna say it, but you know what I'm talking about. I don't feel like. Yeah, okay. As if people old enough to remember Red Fox, you gotta wash your ass! And you cannot wash your ass with one of these. But the difference is, in here, you also have, the technical term is the ass washing machine. So I know it's echoey in here, so I'll get off. But you know, you can get fully clean. So I'm gonna be taking advantage of that. You got a bathroom here. The shower doesn't need privacy, but I prefer bathroom even though I've been married to her for quite some time. I prefer that.
I prefer you have that as well, coincidentally.
And look at the size of the closet here.
Look at the size of the closet.
We have both the safe and the closet. Plenty of room to hang everything up. That's fantastic.
There's a full-length mirror here.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Ladies.
So, you know, if you want to get that pose with the steps or you want to be hooking up the chest, it's pretty awesome.
There's a double sink, which I love. And so underneath to store all of your toiletries.
So right here, these are for the guests, mini surfboards. So if you want to go out and surf, you just take these. You just take them off the wall. You don't want that long board like these pussies who need like a big saw. Oh, I can't say that. Okay, well, we'll edit that out later. But you know, this is for real surfers. Yeah, if you're Patreon and you get the uncensored videos, you're gonna get. So let's come in here. I don't think there's gonna be a ton of complaints about the size of the room. We have a king-size bed here.
I actually feel like it's uncomfortably large for my liking.
Uncomfortably large, but keep in mind,
the apartment we had in Seattle.
the advantage of this situation, oh, look at these drawers. The advantage of this situation is there's only 38 rooms at this hotel. It's an Artisan hotel. And obviously we're gonna be having a lot of social time with other people here. So we'll be holding all kinds of parties. Once again, you're gonna have to be a Patreon to see those.
Parties, after parties.
That's right.
During parties. And I believe it's possible that every single room is at ocean view because there are only 38. I kind of tried to count the number of rooms.
Well, we're gonna find that out. Don't spoil the surprise. Okay, this is what we haven't seen. We've been in Mexico quite some time. We haven't seen this since we were at Temptations, an actual TV with remote. You can actually see television channels on this. So the last 2 hotels did not have that.
Nice large flat screen and ample drawer space. A lot of counter space here to...
We got a couch. This is all the, you know how these QR code work. You can contact the concierge, you can get room service, you can find out the menus for the various restaurants and when they're open. Awesome stuff. Here is a sculpture. This is an original Rodin sculpture, so this is probably worth about $15 million. Oh, okay, I'm getting a signal from Angie. This apparently is a copy, so I apologize for that. But, you know, if it was Rodin, that would be pretty badass. Here we have a drum, in case you want to get some drums and just, yeah.
There'll be a poolside drum circle tonight. And Jim has a lot of rhythm, so he's going to be leading.
Woo! Yes, I'm white, but I did go to T.C. Williams, so I got a little bit of rhythm in me.
Remember the Titans?
That's right.
Okay, here we go. This is what is.
Now this is what's up. Now you're probably saying to yourself, oh, well, we got.
We left our luggage outside.
Yeah, come on out here. That's all right.
Wow. This.
So you're probably saying to yourself, only one jacuzzi tub? That's kind of hurting. I mean, I thought this was supposed to be a nice hotel. Well, nope. There's actually two jacuzzi tubs. This is the outdoor jacuzzi tub, right?
And our room overlooks the infinity pool
and the ocean. So yeah, this is the ocean view. What's up? Yeah. Hey guys, hola. See, a lot of social time going over here. See, they're all looking at our channel on their. She's watching the 4 Chains on YouTube right now on that cabana. Isn't that true? Yep. Okay. Hola. Here we go. We got 3 ladies over there, so this is pretty fun.
Mujeres.
Tres mujeres. That's right.
Solo las mujeres.
See. All right. We haven't had a drink in about 5 minutes, so we got to head back.
Oh, hurry. Mine's by the door.
All right, let's go.
Okay, we're headed to the 3rd floor rooftop restaurant / pool called The Blend. Jim, say hi to everybody.
What's up, y'all? I've overindulged, so you probably won't be able to use those.
Jim has been slightly overserved since we arrived.
I didn't realize.
There is a portion of this that is clothing optional, or at least tops optional, from what I've heard. So we'll give more details about that as they become available. So we're at the roof, and there are 2 hot tubs over here. So 2 on this side of the roof and 2 on the other. Let's check out the view from up here. Yeah, pretty stunning, like the rest of the resort. Oh, geez. So geographically, we are almost exactly, I think, halfway between Playa del Carmen and Puerto Morelos. North of Playa del Carmen and south of Puerto Morelos. So let's walk over to the other side and see what it has in store. So this area is clothing optional. Same deal, 2 hot tubs. And still a beautiful view. A couple of beds, chaise lounges, couches, and more beautiful views. Are you gonna go topless or?
I'm feeling kind of adventurous. I think I'm gonna.
Okay.
How about you?
All right. See you later, folks. So I'm going to show you now, there's 2 kayaks for free at the resort, and they're kept right over here. So we're going to go take a look at those.
One of the comments we got was that there's no beach access from this hotel, and that is not the case. There's actually 2. It might have been the case when those videos were posted, but we're making this video in October, November 2002, 2003. They have life jackets here.
Oars are in the corner.
They got the kayaks and the oars in the corner, and then we're going to show you that there is beach access.
And actually, this is where the...
Oh, yeah.
This is also where the massages are on the beach, right down this access. So we're in the resort and we're looking out at the ocean. This is the right-hand exit. If you take the left-hand exit, there's free beach access over there as well.
And we'll show you that.
Here. Yeah, this is a
little treacherous. Yeah, so you'd have to climb on that, and I don't think we're going to risk that with the camera. This is beach access on the other side. We'll take you down here. It's 7 to 7, and there's a shower here to rinse off the sand so you don't get it in your room or on the beach. And here we go. This is a really great place to play. The floor is lava.
We just walked down very close to our hotel, and this beach is wonderful. There's not a stone in sight, no sargassum, very smooth, beautiful. And there's a little bit of waves today, but that's because we just had some storms pass through. The day we arrived, it was like a glass pool, totally tranquil. Just to give you an idea, this is our room.
This is from the other side. And as you can see, we've got an outstanding view here. And the water's actually, it's been even much calmer than this. Although yesterday there were a lot of waves. And this is the infinity pool. And here's the cabana. And in case you're wondering how this works, it works like this.
Good job, Jeff.
Thank you. They bring drinks out to you here as well.
And food.
And food, yeah.
The left-hand side of the infinity pool.
Now, one of the things that I chose the option of tipping is there's only 2 restaurants, and then there's workers that work breakfast and workers that work lunch and dinner. I tip them all very, very large at the very beginning for 2 reasons. Number 1, they appreciate it, and we've gotten really great service. And number 2, I don't have to carry money with me when I'm at the beach and when when we're going to eat meals. So. All right, honey, I'm going in.